Hello. This is Sharif for Just Nailed It. It is SheModern Saturday, ladies. We're going to have some hot pink neon nails and some summer vibe going on. That's what our nails are going to say is summer vibe. As you can see, I've got 3 nails already done where they're hotter pink than neon more than this. What I've done is on a pink neon polish, I have taken SheModern's, where am I? Pink Bright Neon Sparkling Pigment. Love, love, love this. So we are going to take some SheModern glue gel, that's for glitter and pigment. We're going to place this on both the nails, and then we will cure each nail for 30 seconds. Just make sure your nail is covered. Take your brush all the way up to the cuticle. Like how long these nails are. These are some competition nails I pulled out, and I cut them down just a smidge. I'm going to cure this for 30, and I will be right back. Alrighty, should be back. I have cured the nails for 30 seconds with the glue gel. I'm going to go in with the pink pigment. You're going to dab, dab, dab. Tap, tap, tap. All over the nail. You don't need a whole super lot. And do one nail at a time here. Just dab it around the nail. Don't forget to get the tip. And your sides. And what you're going to do is after that, rub it, burnish it in. Watch the cuticle though, because it does make quite the mess. We will clean that up with some alcohol shortly. You're going to tap, tap, tap. Cover the nail and rub it on. There we go. Take your pink finger and get your lint roller, clean that off. Beautiful. Lint roller comes in so handy. So handy. Put my cap back on my pigments. You can see that turned out really great. I do have some pigments here in the cuticles, which is alright. We are going to top coat these. Just rub them again, make sure I got them covered. I love this. I think this turned out really nice. Let me find my top coat here that I'm using. Is going to be by Leaf USA, sub-brand of Model 1s. It is a steel top coat. Excuse me. And then I will put these back in the lamp. Well, let me think. How should I put my decals on? Probably before, huh? I was not ready for decals yet. Sorry for all the arms in the way. We have got our letters all ready. If I can get them off here. It says summer, or it did. I'm missing my R. Oh, there it is. SUMMER. Okay, here we go. Thought I was missing a letter here. These most likely are going to flip over once the water hits them. The ones that are super tiny. But we'll just flip them back here in a second. This one doesn't want to cooperate today. The S. These do not take long at all to separate. 10-15 seconds usually max. So we are going to give those just a second. I'm going to be applying. Oh, I should have applied. Let me think here. I'm going to pause this while I ponder, and I will be right back. Alrighty. I am back. I have the Grip Gel by SheModern for foil art. I'm going to apply that on 2 of the nails to make them sticky. That way, it gives my nails something to stick to. There we go. I will put this in the lamp for 30 and I will be right back. Alright, we're back. We're going to dive in now with the decals. And they look like they are ready to go. I'm going to try for... Excuse me. I've been coughing a lot this morning. I'm just going to try to apply these with the tweezers. Oh my lordy, I need a tissue to dab them. Oh. Okay, we're going to resituated. There you go. You can apply these many different ways. You can use a stamper. You can apply them as I'm doing now. A couple different ways just to give you an idea. Whoops. Whoopsie. So today is Saturday. What do you girls got planned for today? Anything special? In southeastern Michigan here, it is scorching hot. Yesterday with humidity, it was 100 on Friday, so it was horrible. Downright horrible. I hid in the air, but it's probably the best thing to do, right? If you don't have a pool, hide in the air. My E does not seem... Oh, we got it. She does not seem to want to come up. There. And then our R. Get her to separate. There we go. There we go. Pat them down. I'm not going to dab them because I did use a gel glue. So it is around, you know, the decal. So I don't want to get my tissue stuck in it or pull off it or anything. Because that can happen. I'm going to get my next set of decals. I am putting some flip-floppies on my nails. Because you girls know I do love those. When you are using the bigger decals like this, other than the letters, you need to score them. And that means cutting little slits around the decal so that they fold to your nail. This bee I need to pick up and cut the side of it off because I don't need all the extra. So I'm going to take my said tweezers and my scissors and cut that off. And we're ready to go with that. Let me get my water. Whoa, Nelly. So we're going to let the letters go first. So you see, like before, they want to flip. And some of them, the bee looks ready to go already. Where is our bee? Here we go. Turn that one around. And it is already separated, as you see. And we're going to put this on the snail. Little summer vibe going on with the neon pink, huh, ladies? Can't have a summer mani without a pink neon mani. There we go. And last but not least, our E for summer vibe. It wants to float on down the palette. There we go. Dabbed it down, pressed it down on our nail, get all the water out. So now we are going to do our flip-flops. I know they call them sandals on the site, on the bottom of the stencil here. It would say sandal over here. I call them flip-flops. I didn't put nothing on that nail. My flip-flops have been scored. I'm going to put some on here and put it in the lamp. So I'm going to put, well, I could try to put the flip here. Let's see. I am going to pause and I will. Alright, we are back. Sorry for the wobble and the bobble. We are going to put our, I did put some glue gel on there. Grip, let me see, what was it called? Glue gel on the middle finger. And we are going to apply our decals. Oh, that's just beautiful. Just beautiful. And our other one. And our vacuum did not separate. There we go. And there we go. We are finished. We can top coat. And there is our SheModern Saturday manicure. I think these turned out really cute. Really, really cute. When you are applying your top coat, don't forget to cap your nails. Yeah, whoops. Yeah, it's all over the bottle. That's just Swift. Seal in your decals. Cap your nails. There we go. Wish I would have had some hollow sandals or flip-flops. My thumb I've already top coated before. I'm going to put these in for a full 60 seconds. And I will be right back. Alright, we are back for our last and final cure. We put a little bit of bling on the nails. Hope you can see it. These two here. I think this turned out really cute. Midsummer, beginning of summer nail, manicure, whatever you want to call it. Some hot pinkness going on. I like it. I like it a lot. Hope you do too. Hope you have clicked the like button when you came in or before you leave. Please share this video. You might want to go check out my 2-year anniversary video if you haven't already. So go look at that one. Check it out. If you're a new subscriber, I welcome you. I welcome you to the family. And if you're one of my returns, I thank you for coming. Always appreciate your presence here. I'm going to take some alcohol on a cotton ball and clean up the cuticles there from the pigment. And we're finished. Our mani is complete. This completes and concludes another SheModern Saturday. Hope you've enjoyed. Please come again and have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.